Do you know what embedded high-tech solutions from Mission Embedded can do for you? They push your product to the next technological level. Examples? Here at Mission Embedded, we develop high-tech solutions for safety-critical areas that equip trains with state-of-the-art driver assistance systems for more safety, and make cranes remotely controllable to simplify construction work. We engineer super tiny solutions with high-performance electronics, allowing medical instruments to become smaller and mobile, but also flexible safety monitoring solutions that can even be used in hazardous areas, or solutions that let cameras understand three-dimensional environments, opening new perspectives to autonomous vehicles. How does this work? Our high-tech solutions are packed with the latest technologies, from smart sensors to artificial intelligence and cloud computing, and can easily be integrated into your existing system, making it your next big innovation, which we love to take care of, by the way. Supply chain, production, full life cycle management, and software updates are all handled for you. How we accomplish this? Based on your vision for your product, our highly qualified experts develop an innovative concept, prove its feasibility, and finally, turn your vision into reality. Contact us. We're looking forward to pushing your product to the next level. Mission Embedded, a member of the Frequentis Group.